In this series, I'm going to take a small $25 account and turn it into a $10,000 funded account. So we had a setup on Euro Yen, so we shorted it. We had a previous liquidity pool get retested, but price had a lot of momentum and velocity behind it. So we end up closing this trade for a loss. Now you notice the first couple of trades in this challenge has left us at break even. And that happens to any good trader or trading system. As long as you have confidence in your system, you just keep trading. So the next trade is Euro dollar. We was looking at the hourly, saw a bunch of orders building up, so we had a big liquidity pool. So I shorted it. Immediately, price goes into our favor. But price came back and retested this pool because we had some news that came out and just fell out of bed. And this brought our account back up to $40. And the next setup is on Euro Yen, and we take the buy. The reason why I entered this trade is because Euro Yen made a very strong move down and was showing signs of exhaustion. And it also entered a very strong liquidity pool. Now I know a lot of people might be thinking, isn't this risky? This is a strong trend with a lot of momentum. And I say no. If you understand velocity and liquidity, it isn't any more risky than trading with the trend. And it actually has its own advantages. The market gives a little bit of drawdown, but then it moves in our favor. We TP, and this brings our account to $56. Now make sure you subscribe for episode 3. Hit that like button. Until next time.